Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. I am your host, David. It is 6 a.m. Central Standard Time on a Monday, July 29th, 2024. Got a busy, exciting week ahead. Really excited for what's to come this week. But that is as a trader. As a hodler, we might want to be careful. And we'll see why. Well, I say be careful as a hodler, but you're a hodler, so, I mean, you're already kind of careful, right? Not taking too many risks. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning, All Set. Good morning, Blackie Chan, BC Port Corp. Good morning, Straggle Heart, and All Set. How are you all doing this morning? Good to see you all. Oh man, so we got a busy week ahead. We'll get into what we're going to be seeing for this week and what we're thinking that we might see in these charts, and it's going to be a little bit crazy. It could get a little bit crazy. So we'll get into it. All right, guys. So starting off, we've got our fear and greed sitting in greed at 63 for the crypto market. What's the Bitcoin fear and greed? That's what I want to know. Bitcoin fear and greed, because this is the crypto fear and greed. Let's see what the Bitcoin fear and greed is. It's probably, yeah, it's even higher. 74. All right, guys, we're already getting greed. We're already getting greedy. I don't like that. I don't like that we're pretty greedy right now. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at what do we have going on this week. So today, there's no news. Why did this just pop up like this? It just gave me an extra week. Oh, because I clicked more? Okay. Anyways. Very busy week. You can see all the red folders. Today, there's no news, no narrative. Don't trade today. I'm not trading today. There's no news to trade off of. Tomorrow, Tuesday at 10 a.m., we have consumer confidence and Jolt jobs openings. Jolts at the same time at 10 a.m. Then Wednesday is the jam-packed day. Starting off with 8:15 a.m., we have ADP non-farm employment change. 8:30 a.m., we have employment cost index quarter over quarter. At 10, we have pending home sales month over month. And at 2, this is the important one, we have the Fed funds rate, which this day, we're not going to make any trades, at least I'm not, until after the Fed fund rate. After the statement, the press conference, really. After that, I think we're very good chance we'll be going to Moontown. After that, we'll see. Then we have unemployment claims Thursday, ISM manufacturing on Thursday as well, and round out the week with average hourly earnings, on-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. So, busy week. These are all days or news, economic data that tends to move the market, all jam-packed in 1 week. So, should be fun. Cray all set. FNG is kind of broken this cycle. FNG. Forgive me, I don't know what you're saying. FNG. It might be too early for me to grasp what you're saying to me, okay? FNG. Fear and greed is kind of broken. Okay. I don't think so. I don't think when we hit extreme fear, we bounce. When we hit extreme greed, we fail. So I don't know. Busy. No trading today. All right, so last night I was going over this um, BC team fear and greed. Oh, mean. Oh, yeah, I know. I figured it out. Oh, you guys are way behind. Anyway, so yeah, so we can see, I was wondering how well patterns have been playing out, and cuz I used to trade patterns a lot, and I used to be really pretty good at it, okay? And I just went through here last night and I was like, okay, yep. Yep. There's there's that measured move. It got right up to it. You put it right at the breakout. I wanted to see if there were breakouts or if they were playing more conservatively, but it looks like they've been playing the breakouts. I mean, that one nailed perfectly. Um, from this high to this low, breakout, breakdown, came right down. That would have played. This one right here, this uh, this wedge right here, break out, come down, of course, hit target. So because it tends to be hitting quite often, I wondered where we could be. So wherever we broke out of, I think this would be our measured move, sitting at around 84.5 on the top end. Now there is a chance that if we are to break down, that we could see 57, probably not. Breakdown would be a reversal. With reversals, I've noticed that taking the initial opening of whatever pattern it is, and just placing that there, that tends to get you what you're looking for on a reversal. Reversal meaning we're in an uptrend, but we're reversing down. So we'd take the inside instead of the pole. So just like this one was coming up, the reversal of this would be the pole. Or if it was bullish and we bullishly broke out, then we would measure this move, because it would be a continuation. So we would take the flag pole for a continuation, and we would have put this right here, or wherever we broke out of, we would put that there, and then that would be our target. But since we did not break out bullishly, the inside is our target. And then it hits. It just hits. This was coming down, reversal to the upside. That one hit. But also, if I take this from this low to this high and place this here, don't really get there. Well, this is where we broke out of, from this blue line right here. So if I take this and I move this up to where we broke out of, perfect, nails it. Absolutely nails it. Maybe these things work. I'm just saying. So this is basically what I'm thinking. So if we get a breakdown, depending on where we break down from, I think we could see $61,260. Or if we come from here and we take a flagpole, and wherever we break out up here, we could see $84,000. So that is what I am looking for on Bitcoin. If we break up, if we can hold this orange line is the old all-time high, 69,000. If we can hold that, come up, come above the channel, this downwards channel, get a nice, get support, and continue higher, then the $1,000 to the upside of this broadening wedge. But Not entirely sure we're going to get that. Although Bitcoin is looking incredibly bullish. Incredibly bullish indeed. What are you guys saying? Do. Ooh, good morning, Rakinos. FVG sitting at 64.5, 63.2, 61.2. Yep. FVGs, baby. L Jones in the house. So yeah, that is what that's what I'm looking at. I'm thinking I'm thinking we go I'm thinking we go higher, but I'm also thinking that we need to be cautious because I think we could see some downside as well. So let's go over to Ethereum. So we need to be cautious. Oh yeah, we're getting up into that area. Need to be cautious. Maybe we can go a little bit higher. I mean, we're sitting here at the 702 of this move from here to here. Pull back 702 into resistance. So, need to be careful. This whole thing is really resistant, so I need to do that. So yeah, need to be ultra careful here on ETH. We could even go a little lower even. Sweep the lows because these are kind of like equal lows to me. So would not be surprised to see those swept this week, which we could easily see a nice, we could see things fall over. Let's see, where's our high? Our high was here. All right, yep. So we're getting a bearish divergence right here on Ethereum with our price putting in a lower high and our oscillator working on putting in it's putting in a higher high already. So do have a bearish divergence here on the 4 hour. So that's a pretty significant time frame to see a bearish divergence. So we have the bearish divergence possible there. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Hold on. Apply these indicators. Settings. Apply to all. There we go. All right, so Bitcoin. What is this on the 5 minute? Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, that's what I thought. So this was Ethereum's high. Right here. Right here. Here. Ethereum's high. And then Bitcoin's putting in a higher high. What is that class? That is SMT divergence. That's a bearish divergence as well. So downside is a coming, I think. I think we're going to see some dumpage, okay? I think we're going to see some dumpage. So we'll see. But we're putting in SMT divergence, bearish divergences on the 4 hour. So that is not insignificant. So I would not be surprised at all if we see some downside today, tomorrow, maybe going into the FOMC. Maybe the FOMC wrecks everybody to the downside, wrecks all the longs. Actually, it might do some craziness that it hasn't done in a while, which is where it shoots up initially, and everybody thinks the first move is the false move, and then everybody jumps in, and then it comes down, and then it rips everybody back apart. I could definitely see that. Powell says we're going to be cutting interest rates, or maybe we're going to cut interest rates in September. Shoots up, says something else, shoots down, and then off and away we go. Nice little craziness, I think, we will be seeing this week. So, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. It should be very fun. Yes. Yes. Oh, my bad. We'll see if micro beats macro. All right. What are we seeing? Oh, good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Rising, broadening wedges break downwards, don't they? They can break either way. Just like any pattern. You want to see volume with it when it breaks. That's the main thing. I love resets or tug of wars. Yeah, it means price divergence between correlating assets. Yes, that is what an SMT divergence is. So an SMT divergence, let's say we have Bitcoin, and this is actually what is going on right now. Bitcoin puts in a higher high, and then let's say Ethereum or any other correlated asset to Bitcoin, it decides to put in a lower high. This gives us SMT divergence. SMT divergence. Smart money technique. Always forget what it is, so that's why it's the smart money technique. But it's SMT divergence. Two highly correlated assets. And these are at the same times as well. So, what else do we have going on, guys? Just basically my bearish. I'm kind of bearish for this, at least the start of the week, going into the FOMC, which I actually prefer. I prefer it when we start the week off kind of going to the downside in FOMC, or just because typically the FOMC leads to a reversal. So, especially one as anticipated as this one. Try not to yawn. Ooh. What kind of news do we have here? Why is Ether price up today? Who knows? Ethereum ETF launch drives 2.2 billion inflows. BlackRock imposters target crypto ETF investors. Oh, who knew that? Who knew? Who knew? Anything else? What are we looking at? What are we looking like? Let's see. AIOZ 19 up 19%. Let's take a look at that. Change this up. All right. Let's see. What is this? I know this is an AI play that I was doing. Hold on. Get off a log. This thing's pumped. This thing's been pumping. I like it. I like seeing cups. Where's my? There it is. I like seeing this. It's typically a nice accumulation cup. Let's throw on a fixed range volume profile. Okay, so this could be coming up to this is coming up to value area high at 76 cents. That is an area where I would consider putting in a short. and going after the lows. Yes, this typically would be an accumulation thing, but if Ethereum and Bitcoin all roll over, even if temporarily, um, what do you call it? Altcoins will get hit even harder, as they typically do. Now, this is putting in a nice big candle. Those candles, anytime get a nice big push, they typically, especially once they are reaching an area of resistance, those candles tend to like to get revisited, as you can see. So, as this pushes up, just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and throw on some downward sloping resistance right there as well. So, and this is the daily chart. So, just wherever this gets up to, I would probably be shorting from this line. It's where I would be shorting from. At least the 76 cents mark. But yeah. AIOZ. IOs. Now, counter to that, if this is to break and then come up and then hold, that is probably well, I'm definitely getting rid of this, and I'm flipping and turning it into this. And I'm just going to aim for the high. Excuse me. Maybe a little more. Give me a little less breathing room. But that's a pretty big gain right there. I mean, that's 43%. It's not bad. Especially, just a little 3x leverage on there. Not too bad. Not financial advice. Do not trade with leverage if you do not know how to trade. I got to zoom out more. Well, yeah, we all got to zoom out all the time. You got to start off zooming out. We can go to Bitcoin, start off zoomed out. See, we're getting that bearish divergence in there. Oh, yeah. And if this comes up short too, we got the bearish divergence on the daily. Possibly, potentially, heading up straight for that downward sloping resistance. If we put a fixed range volume profile on here, let's see. Yep, we're right at that value area high right now. So be cautious. We could poke our heads up above these equal highs up here. And what I would be looking for if we did do that would be an instant rejection, giving us a swing failure pattern. And then that's all she wrote. I'm just waiting for the pullback into a fair value gap, an order block, what have you. And I'm riding that puppy down. That's hey man, you got to go down before you can go up. And you got to go up before you can go down. So but Bitcoin is pumping right now. Are we going to hit 70K before I get off stream here? Maybe. Weekly, nice bullish consolidation candle last week. So give us the push, Bitcoin. I want to see what we need is a push with conviction. That way, the FOMC would maybe just give us a pullback, and then we could keep going. But I'm not liking what I'm seeing on our oscillators and all that stuff, because this could also. If this thing pops up and gives us just a slight new high, that's another bearish divergence. That would also be right here, bearish divergence from there, from here to here. Bearish divergences all the way down, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know. Excuse me. It seems like we could be kind of bearish. At least doing some bearish price action. Could be very volatile week, as the title of this stream says. Come down, sweep the lows, and then push back to the upside. This would make me feel more comfortable, honestly. Crypto fear and greed. Sitting up here at the greed. Every time we've come up here, as of late, it's been down. Maybe we finally break the cycle. Maybe we finally break the cycle. I don't know. Good morning. Been watching on my tablet. Wasn't able to write in the chat. Your tablet? You finally... Oh, wait. That's not your laptop. I was going to say, you finally got the tablet? Nope. That's what you did. You got the tablet on... Did you get the tablet on Prime Day? All right. So, yeah. Basically, be careful. Be cautious. Look out for those bearish divergences. Any more on the lower time frames? We are showing a little bit of weakness in our momentum here. I might be shorting 70K, 70,500. Don't look. Don't shoot the messenger, okay? I know we're all like super bullish, but I'm not liking all the dang bearish divergences I'm seeing. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, look at that. This is the 15-minute. If this thing comes up to here, 70,400. Then we got this. This puts in lower, another bearish divergence. So from the 15 to the 1 hour to the 4 hour to the daily, possibly even the weekly, bearish divergences across the board. Oof. It's not good. But we'll see. You need more dips? I think you're going to get it this week. You just make sure you buy. Good morning, Alex O Crypto. Mad love, Mr. Beach. Mad love, my friend. So, yeah. Be careful. I'm seeing bear divs everywhere. 10-minute. Maybe not so much. Let's go to the 1 minute, because we are psychotic like that, all right? The 1 minute actually isn't that treacherous, guys. Let me let you in on a little secret. The 1 minute ain't that treacherous, especially on Bitcoin. Maybe during high volatile, like an FOMC or something like that. I don't know. But yeah. The 1 minute really isn't too crazy, to be quite honest. I've seen worse. But yeah, anyways, guys, I need to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you for joining me this morning. I appreciate every single last one of you for joining. Soon enough, guys, we'll be Good Morning Crypto. We'll be having Blackie Chan on the show. Well, he will be a co-host of the show, I should say. And yeah, you'll probably start your morning off with him, end it with me, end it with us together, and it'll be fun. I'm very excited for that. Not exactly sure when that's going to come around. We got to do some practice before the channel moves over or the show moves over to Piper Academy, don't forget to go check out Piper's Academy in 2 hours, starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go check out Piper, Tradefly, OC Guy, Crux of Crypto, all those guys. Mad love to ZTS too, ZTS Rhythm. But yeah, very excited about the future and what is to come. It should be fun. Should be fun. And that's fun and entertaining. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see how entertaining Blackie Chan is. But anyways, I appreciate you guys. Have a great Monday. It's Monday. It's the start of the week. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the chats. Don't forget to join the Discord. Link is in the description. It is free. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. That's going to be it for me, guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical day. Ride the waves. A peace up.